Autumn in Tuscany. It's a phrase that conjures images of rolling hills bathed in golden light, vineyards heavy with grapes, and the aroma of roasted chestnuts filling the air. This is Tuscany at its most alluring, a time when nature puts on a breathtaking show and the region's culinary treasures are at their peak. Imagine strolling through vineyards painted in hues of crimson and gold, the air crisp and cool. Picture yourself indulging in hearty Tuscan cuisine, each dish a celebration of the season's bounty. This is the magic of autumn in Tuscany, an experience that captivates the senses and nourishes the soul. Whether you seek a romantic escape, a culinary adventure, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Tuscany in autumn offers an unforgettable experience. Come, lose yourself in the beauty of this enchanting season and discover the heart of Tuscany. As summer's heat fades, Tuscany undergoes a magical transformation. The rolling hills, blanketed in vineyards and olive groves, transform into a vibrant tapestry of autumn hues. Emerald greens give way to warm golds, fiery reds and rich browns, creating a landscape that is both dramatic and serene. The air, once thick with the scent of sunflowers, takes on a crisp, clean quality. The sun, though still warm, hangs lower in the sky, casting a golden glow over the countryside. It's as if nature herself is an artist, carefully blending colors and light to create a masterpiece. This is the perfect time for leisurely walks or bike rides, allowing the beauty of the season to wash over you. It's a time to breathe deeply, to savor the peacefulness, and to appreciate the simple pleasures of life. Autumn is a time of abundance in Tuscany, a season when the hard work of the year culminates in a bountiful harvest. The vineyards are laden with grapes, ready to be transformed into the region's renowned wines. Olive groves shimmer with the silvery green hues of ripening olives, promising a rich harvest of the liquid gold. Across the countryside, farmers gather their crops, their faces etched with the satisfaction of a season's labor. Pumpkins, squash and gourds, their colors echoing the autumn leaves, pile high in markets and roadside stalls. Figs, bursting with sweetness, and juicy grapes tempt passers-by.
This is a time to indulge in the freshest seasonal produce, from hearty soups and stews to freshly baked bread still warm from the oven. Every bite is a celebration of the earth's bounty and the culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations.
Autumn is synonymous with the grape harvest or vendemmia, a time-honored tradition celebrated with joy and festivity. Throughout the region, families and friends gather in the vineyards, their laughter echoing through the vines as they hand-pick the precious grapes. The scent of crushed grapes fills the air, a sweet and intoxicating aroma that speaks of the transformation to come. It's a time of hard work, but also of celebration, as the fruits of their labor promise another vintage of exceptional Tuscan wines.
Join in the festivities at a local sagra, a village festival celebrating the harvest. Sample the newly pressed wines, savor traditional dishes, and experience the warmth and hospitality of the Tuscan people.
Section 5, the elusive truffle, a culinary treasure hunt. As the leaves begin to fall, another treasure emerges from the Tuscan earth, the prized truffle. These subterranean fungi, particularly the highly sought-after white truffle, are a culinary delicacy, their pungent aroma and earthy flavor adding a touch of luxury to any dish.
Truffle hunting is a time-honored tradition in Tuscany, shrouded in secrecy and passed down through generations. Skilled tartufi, accompanied by their trusty truffle hunting dogs, scour the forest floor for these hidden gems.
Indulge in the unique experience of a truffle hunting excursion. Witness firsthand the thrill of the hunt as the dogs sniff out these prized fungi and savor the unique flavor of freshly shaved truffles over pasta or risotto.
Section 6, a feast for the senses, autumnal gastronomy. Autumn in Tuscany is a feast for the senses, and nowhere is this more evident than in the region's cuisine. The harvest bounty takes center stage, inspiring hearty dishes that warm the soul and tantalize the taste buds. Imagine savoring a steaming bowl of ribollita, a hearty bread soup enriched with seasonal vegetables and beans. Picture yourself indulging in pappardelle al cinghiale, thick ribbons of pasta tossed with a rich wild boar ragu. From rustic trattorias to Michelin-starred restaurants, Tuscan chefs transform simple seasonal ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Each dish is a celebration of the region's terroir, a testament to the connection between the land and the table. Section 7. Beyond the Table, Craftsmanship and Culture. Autumn in Tuscany is not just about indulging in the region's culinary delights. It's also an opportunity to immerse yourself in its rich culture and traditions. Step back in time and discover the artistry of traditional crafts, passed down through generations of skilled artisans.
Visit a local ceramics workshop and witness the creation of hand-painted pottery, each piece unique and imbued with the region's artistic heritage. Explore the workshops of leather workers, where supple leather is transformed into exquisite bags, belts and jackets.
Attend a local festival or market and browse the stalls of local artisans, showcasing their crafts and sharing their passion for their work. It's an opportunity to bring home a piece of Tuscany, a tangible reminder of the region's creativity and heritage.
Escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and embrace the tranquility of the Tuscan countryside. Autumn is the perfect time to retreat to a charming agriturismo, a farmhouse offering accommodation and a taste of rural life.
Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, the air filled with the scent of wood smoke and fresh-baked bread. Picture yourself relaxing by a crackling fireplace, a glass of local wine in hand, as the sun sets over the rolling hills.
Spend your days exploring the surrounding countryside, hiking through chestnut forests, or simply relaxing by the pool, soaking up the peace and quiet. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to slow down, and to savor the simple pleasures.
One of the most enchanting ways to experience the beauty of Tuscany in autumn is by bicycle. Pedal along quiet country roads, the crisp air against your skin as you soak up the breathtaking scenery. Cycle past vineyards adorned in their autumn finery, their leaves a tapestry of golds, reds and browns. Stop at a local winery for a tasting, savouring the flavours of the newly harvested grapes. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at a trattoria, fueling up on rustic Tuscan fare. Continue your journey, the sun warm on your back, as you breathe in the fresh air and embrace the freedom of the open road. Whether you're an experienced cyclist or prefer a leisurely ride, Tuscany offers a range of cycling routes to suit all levels. Explore the rolling hills of Chianti, discover the hidden gems of the Val d'Orcia, or cycle along the picturesque Tuscan coast. Whether you dream of indulging in culinary delights, exploring picturesque villages, or simply escaping to the tranquility of the countryside, Tuscany in autumn has something to offer everyone. Create your own Tuscan adventure, tailored to your interests and desires. Seek out local festivals and markets, immersing yourself in the vibrant culture and traditions of the region. Embark on a culinary journey, sampling seasonal specialties and discovering the secrets of Tuscan cuisine. Unwind in a luxurious spa, indulging in rejuvenating treatments inspired by the region's natural bounty. Whatever your passion, Tuscany in autumn provides the perfect backdrop for unforgettable experiences. Embrace the slower pace of life, connect with nature, and discover the true essence of this enchanting region. Autumn in Tuscany is a time of magic, a season of breathtaking beauty, culinary delights, and cultural richness. It's a time to escape the ordinary, to reconnect with nature, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. So heed the call of Tuscany in autumn. Wander through vineyards ablaze with color, savor the flavors of the harvest, and embrace the warmth of the Tuscan people. Let the magic of this enchanting season captivate your senses and leave you with a longing to return. Your Tuscan adventure awaits.